Hey and welcome to Golden Home Reviews. Today I'm at Kingsmote Garden Village on the outskirts of Chester. So this is a Redrow home we're looking at right now, and we're about 10 minutes from Chester city centre. However, the A55 will links to Wrexham, Liverpool and Manchester just 2 minutes away. This property is a 4-bedroom home, has private parking and a double garage, and it starts at £748,000. So let's take a look inside and see what that money gets you in Chester. Okay, yeah, I like this. This is a stunning entranceway. You've got oak doors. You're greeted by this oak staircase. There's a storage cupboard or cloakroom. Right now, just a fire extinguisher in there. So we step into this lounge and I spot what I think is a bar. Nice. Yeah, you get this massive bay window. The space is nice. Great view out this window. And it's cozy. Lots of places to sit. You're looking at 5 meters by 4 meters in this room. Right, another cloakroom. And then a downstairs toilet. Best seat in the house. And you will have noticed nice bright lighting throughout as well. Now this room really has the wow factor. It's got an open plan kitchen. Impressive finish, beautiful island, and a wine cooler, which I'll show you soon. Yeah, this is perfect for hosting parties, dinners, family barbecues. You know, this is the heart of the home. Yeah, here's the wine cooler. So you've got a separate lounge here and a dining room on the other side. And then you've got these French doors to access the back garden. And plenty of radiators throughout. The fixtures and fittings are to a very high standard. There is also this utility room, and don't forget the garage for storage and practical needs. This is the first floor beautiful landing. There's a bedroom 4, 3.5 meters by 3. Now this is where, as they said in Cribs, the magic happens, the master bedroom. Huge window. This room is 5 meters by 4. Also has an adjoining ensuite, has his and her sinks, vanity units, LED mirrors, and also this concealed shower and a towel radiator. Once you have one of those, you're not going back. Warm towels for life. And, of course, shave sockets. Now we're talking. A walk-in wardrobe that's a walk-in wardrobe, we're walking in the wardrobe. This is bedroom 3. It's 4 meters by 3 meters. And then we have this family bathroom for everyone to share. It's got a walk-in shower and bath. Then we have bedroom 2. This could be the bedroom for your favorite child. It's got built-in wardrobes. Very nice. And even has its own ensuite. That is the end of this beautiful golden home tour here in Chester. Do you have a property that we could feature? Please get in touch with us. Our contact details are in the bio. Please subscribe to the channel, as we'll be uploading these videos regularly, giving you an insight to these beautiful homes. And now, I'm going to head to the wine cooler in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.